Hi, this is Amelia from the North Country Children's Museum. Today, we're going to make a rainstorm in a jar right inside your house. Here's what you'll need: a clear jar, water, which you're going to use to fill the jar, shaving cream, and food coloring. You probably should use blue to make it look like water. However, I only had yellow. You really just need the color so you can see what's happening in the experiment. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to pour your water into your jar. You should leave room for the shaving cream to go on top. Now you're going to spray your shaving cream. You want to make a thin layer. This is my first attempt, and I did not make a thin layer. It was much too thick. You'll see in a little bit that I took some of it off. If your layer of shaving cream is too thick, the food coloring won't go through. In this experiment, the water is acting like the air, the shaving cream like a cloud, and the food coloring like rain. When the cloud gets too heavy with all the rain droplets, that's when it rains. Uh-oh, here's where I experienced some technical difficulties. I realized that my layer of shaving cream was too thick and that I needed to start again. So here I go. Thanks for watching. See you next week.